Once you get to the free online estimator tool, you're going to get to this page. Again, we highly recommend that you use a laptop or something with a mouse. It'll make your drawings that much more accurate. I already went ahead and put in my information here, so I'm going to go ahead and hit next. This information is specifically private to you. It's just in case you have any questions, we know how to contact you on the fence. Now I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste my address in there, and this is just our site and where we're located, and hit find your home. And then the Google Maps satellite image will automatically pull it up. If it's not 100% accurate, that is all right. All it's saying on the left hand side is that if you ended up in the wrong location, you can use the toolbar or drag the image around. You can zoom in or out down here, or move left or right, up and down, to make sure that you found your location. As soon as you find it on the map, go ahead and hit add your first fence. Now you can start drawing your fence whatever you want. We typically do dog kennels, so I'll just do something, even shows you the footage. Do something like that. And then to add a gate for a dog to go in and out, we'll go ahead and just add a gate right there. And that S means single gate. You can also add a double gate, and there'll be a D. Now you can hit the undo button, so make sure whenever you're drawing that if you want to go back and do something, it only undoes the last drawing that you did at a time. Alright, and that is the fence I want. So as soon as I am done drawing, I can go ahead and hit next up here.
On this next page, you'll see that there's fence type, fence style, color, and height. Once you select your fence type, you're going to be able to select the style. As you can see, the options have narrowed down. There will be no need to select a color, seeing as there's only one available. However, you will need to select a height. Once you have made your selections, you can go ahead and hit next, and you will see the estimate for that fence that you drew with the style and type of fence. Now we do receive questions asking if our online estimator tool is actually accurate, and the answer to that is yes. The manager in charge of updating this program is on top of it pretty constantly. To add another fence after that first estimate, go ahead and click on the Add Another Fence button and just repeat the steps that you did for your first fence. If you decided that you did not want to include one of the fences that you drew into your estimate, you can go ahead and delete it by clicking on the trash can next to the fence you want to delete, and then hit yes, I do want to delete it, and it will remove it from your estimate. Now that I'm satisfied with the fences that I drew and selected, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then I'm done. I have officially received an email with the estimated quote that is right in front of me on this screen. I can also see the sales team, Matt. There's his phone number, so if I have any questions, I can go ahead and just contact him. And I can also remember what email I put down. If I scroll down, I can see the information I input, and that is where the email will be with this estimated quote in case I don't want to take a screenshot.
If you liked what you saw on the free online estimator tool, you can definitely go ahead and request for an on-site visit that will occur in March 2021. Right now we have our on-site visits on hold, and as soon as our spring season starts, we'll go ahead and have our sales representatives head out and actually do on-site estimates. But right now, the second option to do a free estimate, if you do not want to use the tool, is you will have to send in a picture of what you are looking for, and we have a rough sketch on here of how you can do that. You can say there's your garage, your house, and exactly the amount of footage that you want, as well as what type of gate. And then below here you'll also fill out the form. If you already have a fence and you're looking for privacy slats or parts, make sure you visit both of the websites down on the bottom of a1fenceDuluth.com. Just Slats sells privacy slats that can give your chain link fence more privacy if you need. I'll go ahead and show you really quick. These are the options. You can go ahead and do an online order, or you can contact us for a quote as well. And then for fenceparts.us, we also sell different parts if you're just needing to replace something really quick and you don't need us to actually come out and you want to do it yourself. We sell many different kinds of parts here on fenceparts.us.
Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more future videos, and also follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook.